I-tab ezobhekana nayo i-View tab. The View tab controls how a document is displayed. Then bese sibheka groups under the View tab. Document views, show, zoom, window, macros. Document views, show, zoom, window, macros. Let's go to view document views. The tools are print layout. So you look at the picture, how it looks. Then the full screen reading, print layout, view the document as it will appear on the printed page. Kusho ukuthi ukwazi ukubona escreenini i-document njengoba izobukeka kuphi kwi-page eseliprintiwe noma ephepheni. Then we've got the full screen reading. View the document in full screen reading view in order to maximize the space available for reading or commenting on the document. Then we've got the web layout. View the document as it would look at a web page. Ukuthi web page ingabukeka kanjani. Ebese kuba i-outline view. View the document as an outline and show the outlining tools. Then the draft view. View the document as a draft to quickly edit the text. Certain elements of the document, such as headers and footers, will not be visible in this view. Purpose of document views. Change how the document appears on the screen. Example, using print layout to preview a letter before printing. Then number 2, we've got group 2, which is show. What are the tools there? The tools, the ruler, the create lines, and the navigation pane. Ruler, create lines, navigation pane. What's the purpose of the show? Display tools to aid editing. Example, enable the ruler to align text boxes. For instance, lo correct la ku ruler usho ukuthi yes. Mangiclick ukuthi no, angisaliboni i-ruler la. Mangilifaka i-ruler liyangisiza ukuthi kwa left nakwa right mangicreate i-picture ethile noma i-text box ngikwazi ukubona ukuthi mayale ingama-units awu-9 mangiyigcinisa la i-length yakhona ama-unit amangaki awu-4 bese kuthi i-left hand side ikhombise i-height yani ye-document. All right, the next one is zoom. What are the tools under zoom? The tools under zoom, zoom, which is this one, show the zoom dialog box to specify the zoom level of the document. In most cases, you can also use the zoom controls in the status bar at the bottom of the window to quickly zoom. Yes, bottom of the window, you can see there. You can also do a zoom. Right. Then 100%, zoom the document to 100%. One page, zoom the document so that an entire page fits the window. 2 pages, zoom the document so that the 2 pages fit the window. Then we've got the page width. Page width, zoom the document so that width of the page matches the width of the window. That is all about show. So now my document is what here, it is 100%. Then we've got the window. So the tools of the window, you can split the current window into two parts so that you can view different sections of the document at the same time. Ukuthi iwindow uhlukanise libe amawindow angaphezu kwalodwa bese kuthi iy'ngxenye zedocument ukwazi ukuyibona kanye kanye. Then now you tile all open program windows side by side. Then new window, open a new window containing a view of the current document. Then the last group is macros. Macros, tools, view macros. Okay. View the list of macros from which you can run, create, or delete a macro. View macros, record macros, start or stop recording macro. What's the purpose? Automate repetitive task. Ngakho iyasiza kakhulu lapho in i-macros group. That's the end of the lesson.